Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. In today's video, I'll be making buttermilk banana bread with a chocolate ganache. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching.
Here's a list of the ingredients that I'll be using for the banana bread. I'll prepare my baking dish with non-stick spray and flour. Time to preheat the oven for 325 degrees. Now it's time to mash the bananas. Combine the dry ingredients. Combine the sugars. And cream the butter and sugar together until smooth. I'll now add the eggs to the sugar and mix well. I almost went into muscle failure trying to mix this all together. Now I'll fold in the bananas. The vanilla, the buttermilk, and mix until well combined. I'm going to add the flour in 3 parts, and what I'm doing is folding it in gently. I don't want to over mix this because when you over mix it, you get a dry banana bread, and no one wants a dry banana bread. As you can see, I'm just folding it in until all the flour has disappeared. Now it's time to add the mixture to the pan, and I'm gonna bake it in the oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. The banana bread is all done, so I'll let that cool and make the chocolate ganache. I'm going to heat about 1/2 cup of heavy cream on the stove, and once it starts boiling, I'll remove it and add it to my chocolate morsels. I'll mix this really well until the morsels have melted and I get a nice, smooth, rich glaze. The banana bread is all cooled, so now it's time to drip that creamy, rich chocolate ganache over the top. And here it goes. That looks so good. I had to bring it in just a little closer so you can see all that chocolatey goodness. Now let's cut into it and see what we're working with. It's moist and you can still see little specks of the banana. I had to make myself a hot cup of joe and get me a slice of this banana bread. And trust me guys, it was even better the next day. As always, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Friday when I post. Bye!